Welcome to Qatar's 2025 public holiday calendar, a year filled with opportunities to celebrate, relax, and connect with loved ones. Let's explore the key dates that bring the nation together. First up, National Sports Day on Tuesday, February 11th, a day to promote health, fitness, and community spirit. Whether it's football, cycling, or yoga, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Next, we mark Eid al-Fitr, celebrating the end of Ramadan. The main day falls on Monday, March 31st, followed by two public holidays on April 1st and 2nd. Prepare for joy, togetherness, and delicious feasts. Mid-year brings Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, on Saturday, June 7th. The celebrations continue with holidays on June 8th and 9th, making it a long weekend to cherish. Finally, Qatar celebrates its National Day on Thursday, December 18th, honoring its unity and heritage, a time for pride and patriotism, highlighted by stunning festivities across the nation. Mark your calendars, plan your holidays, and make the most of these special occasions. Here's to a joyful and prosperous 2025 in Qatar.